So what's going on, guys? Hope you have a great day. So today I'm back on another new video, and today's topic is about Nexa and Dynex. So as you know that in this before video I make a video on Nexa, that how to mine Nexa, and also mine how to mine DNX on Windows and HiveOS, and also make a video on how to dual mine on Casper and Argo, on also make Caspa's solo mining. And after the rally of the Caspa, I make a video on Caspa and Dynex. So in this video we make and see that there is some profitability that we make on 3060 and others card, that we can make some profit on a little bit after the electricity. But after some days it goes non-profitability on whereabout it's on Nexa and all, especially on Caspa, and Argo is unprofitable still, but Dynex is still going profitable, and Nexa somehow goes unprofitable for some days, but it still goes profitable for regularly. And that's why I think that why if I make a video on Dynex and Nexa, on both the dual mining on Dynex and Nexa, then I hope it's still profitable, and it's better for all the miners that they make the profitability after the electricity. So that's why in this video I'll make you on HiveOS that how you can mine Nexa and Dynex, sorry, how to mine Dynex and Nexa both as a dual miner. So let's jump to the main topic. So first of all, if you are the new one, please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you are the old one, please like and share. And let's go to the main topic on that HiveOS account. So we need you see that in this before video I make a video, or this is the flat sheet on Dynex and Caspa, and today I make a flat sheet on Dynex and Nexa. And first of all, the price is about Nexa is going up, is around 27%, and the Dynex is going down today, but it still make money on 3060, that's on Dynex. And on what to mine, there is some clarification that on 3060 as on current profit and current values, and the calculate pricing is here is showing that Nexa is going on 0.52 cents, and after the electricity is 0.9 cents, and KHVS is going the 0.08 cents, and the lithium is also goes on profit, and RXD or Radiant is also goes on profit. But what to mine, it's now just so the profitability that, and it's not showing the Dynex profitability. So that's why I choose the hashrate.no, and here you get the all the coins profitability and other thing. So without loss of time, so make this video on how to mine Nexa and Dynex. So this is my HiveOS account, and I go to the my flight sheet, and so create a flight sheet, and I choose on first of all is on Dynex. Next selected on Dynex web wallet, and choose on configure in miner, and configure in miner, and here I selected on as custom miner. Okay, so custom miner is available on Nvidia GPUs and also in AMD GPUs. And in this setup config file we select the Dynex solve. I just pasted it on, and yeah, in this here. Okay, and paste the URL. So this is the main things on for Dynex installation and to start mining, and the hash algorithm is already taken, and now it's wall and delete the dash worker name, and on pool you can select it. This is for a couple server pool, so you can choose on whatever if you are from Asia, then choose on this pool, and if you are from Europe server, then choose on this, and if you are the US server, then choose on this pool, and the port is this. So I selected on US server pool, so that's why I selected. This is the same, you can check on, that is dnx.ekapool.com, and then pasted it on here, and on password section you choose on worker name. So there is the reason you have to choose this password, otherwise Dynex don't work on your rig. And on extra config file is selected on this and paste it on here, or you have to choose this another things, that is the this extra config argument, you can paste it on your rigs or your flight sheet, because you can see that this is the, and there is no match, so this is two different, and but both are works. So apply on changes and set on add miner, and here I choose on Nexa, my Nexa Qt wallet, and pool I selected on our plant. And if you are selected on this, so you can choose anyone, but I selected on configure in miner, and here I select on LOL miner. Okay, so on setup config file I pasted on this argument, that is the default argument, the wallet dot worker name, and wallet and worker name, but you have to paste it a dot before this. Okay, and there is no need any worker name and password, just you make to select it on the URL, and you goes on the our plant and the Nexus server pool, and here you click on connect button, and now goes on choose miner. So I selected on lol miner and selected on Linux and Asia Pacific, and this is the pool stratum, copy on that and pasted it on here. Okay, and apply the latest version 1.62, or you can select it on the latest and click on apply, but you can choose on just like our pen server pool and click on Asia or Europe. So I selected on Asia and apply, and there is no need to anything, so click on apply changes, both are work. You can choose anything you want and selected the name, that is Nexa plus DNX, paste and create the flight sheet. Okay, and this is the thing, and now we goes to worker, and on flight sheet I selected the DNX and Nexa, and here we can see that the DNX and Nexa is now running, and now overclock setting is you need to set on that power limit is 170 watt, and we need to choose on different overclock setting in this here, because you know that Nexa does not have or does not need any memory clocks. Nexa is just need to core clocks and the power limit, and but Dynex is need to set on the core clocks and also memory clocks and also the power limit. So that's why I selected the high overclock settings, that is 170 watt, and we took the overclock setting on for Nexa is 1470, that is the core clocks is this is the locked core clock, and on Dynex I think this is the Dynex. Okay, so on Dynex overclock setting I selected on this one is the medium overclock, so I selected on 11,000 and choose on save. Okay, so this is the overclock setting is core clocks is 1470, memory clocks is 1100, and power limit is 170, but this is not to be need. You can select it on 150 and your flight sheet. Just for the quick setting, I make a short that select on first coin is DNX or Nexa, whatever you want, and select it on DNX web wallet and choose on configure miner. On minus select on custom for DNX, and on extra config file is need to paste on this all the extra config argument and the installation URL and the server pool, and click on apply changes. And on Nexa select on Nexa the Qt wallet and the rplan server pool. You can choose on by rplan as a direct or choose on the lol miner and set up config file. You need to paste on the server address in here, and the basic default settings is the same. You don't need to make another extra config argument for this. So that's it. So this is the overall setting that how you can mine Nexa and Dynex on the dual coin mining as on. So the price is continuous going up for Nexa, and it's roughly about 28%, and the Dynex is goes up I think right now. Let's have a look on. Okay, so it's going down 0.7, but you need to don't worry about this because Dynex is continuous goes the profitable. And here we can see that the after electricity you got the 0.36 per card, and on 3060 and on Nexa you get on 0.13 to 20. So the overall watt is taking around 90 and 50 140 and roughly 160 70. So that's why I selected on 170 power limit, and this is the same that they get. And on Dynex you get the 155 hash rate the medium, and the on Nexa is get on 46 mega hash. The lol miner I selected on this because the lol miner is now going the best result to give you that the hash rate and some of the profitability. So that's it. So this is the main thing, and the all the things is right now is available on, and Woolly Pooley is right now I'm not using for the hacking person. So now the Nexa is going around high, and what's about Dynex? Dynex is going right now down, but it's going the same. So what's about the market? Okay, so BTC is now going right now is 33,300, and it's now down on 1.64% on 24 hours. And what's about Dogecoin? Okay, Dogecoin is 2.2 down, and Ethereum Classics is 6.6, 2.37 on 24%. And what about Argo? Caspa, I think it's going again down. Okay, it's up on 7.8%. and Argo, I think it's down. Yeah, it's $1.53. So that's it, guys, the short update that how to mine DNX and Nexa on your HiveOS and on your rigs. That the dual mine, I think it's work, and it's still profitable, and it goes profitable continuously than others coin. So I hope this is going to be great for all the miners. So that's what it, guys. See you in the next one.